Myself Divakar Kumar. Welcome to all on my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss class 6 geometry part 2 of line, ray and line segments. Today's topic is based on relation between point and line. Now first result, an unlimited line number of lines can be drawn passing through a given point as shown in figure. Now a point O, and from this point line L, M, N, P and Q all passes through given point O. So from a given point we can draw a unlimited number of lines. Now result 2, one and only one line can be drawn to pass through two given points. If two different points A and B are given in a plane, then exactly one line can be drawn passing through these points. A and B are 2 points. We can draw only one line from these 2 points. Now result 3, two lines in a plane either intersect at exactly one point or they are parallel. So here we two figures are given, one showing parallel line and other showing intersecting line. Now next point, concurrent line. Three or more lines in a plane are said to be concurrent if all of them pass through the same point, and this point is called point of concurrence of the given line. Now see in the figure, the line L, M and OP are passed through the point O. So congruent point of this line is O. Since all these lines passes through the same point O and called point of congruence. Now the next point, collinear points. Three or more points in a plane are said to be collinear if they all lie on the same line, and this line is called line of congruency, line of collinearity for the given points. Points are lie on the same line are called collinear points, and if there is no line on which all the points lie, then they are called non-collinear points, or points that do not lie on the same line are known as non-collinear. Now I am giving examples. ABC, in this figure 3 points ABC are collinear, whereas in the figure points P, Q, R, S are non-collinear points. Also another figure this type, non-collinear points. That's all. Myself Divakar Kumar. Welcome to all on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss class 6 maths geometry portions, line segment and ray part 2. In this part I will discuss relation between point and line. So first I am going to discuss result 1. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn pass through a given point and shows below. In this figure, line L, M, N, P and Q all are passes through a given point O. So more than 4 or 5 or 6 we can draw an unlimited number of lines through O. Result 2, one and only one line can be drawn to pass through two given points. If two different points A and B are given in a plane, then exactly one line can be drawn passing through the points. 2 points AB, so we can draw a one and one only line AB through these points. Result 3, two lines in a plane either intersect exactly one point or they are parallel. So they see L and M are intersect each other at point P, or P and Q are parallel, which is showing in this figure. Now come the next point, concurrent lines. three or more lines in a plane are said to be concurrent if all pass through the same point, and the point is called the point of congruence of the given lines. Since all these lines are passes through the same point O, called point of congruence. Now so many lines in the figure, L, M, and P and O are passing through point O. So in this figure, the lines P and Q are called congruent lines, and point O is called point of congruence. Collinear points. Three or more points in a plane are said to be collinear if they all lie on the same line, and this line is called the line of collinearity for the given point. In short, points that lie in the same line are called collinear points. If there is no line on which all the points lie, then they are called non-collinear points. Or points that are not lie on the same line are known as non-collinear points. Here we have given examples. In this figure, ABC, figure first, 3 points ABC are collinear, whereas in the figure second, PQ, in this figure, point PQRS are non-collinear. That's all.